Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing cute teeth, toothbrush and toothpaste drawing step by step. Let's start. We'll make a funny teeth brush and paste drawing. Wait for end. We complete teeth drawing. We complete toothbrush drawing. We complete toothpaste drawing. We complete teeth, toothbrush and toothpaste drawing. Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors. Gray color, magenta color, blue color, violet color, green color, yellow color, orange color, red color, yellow color, green color, sea green color, orange color, violet color, dark blue color, blue color, magenta color. We complete teeth, toothbrush and toothpaste drawing with colors. Thanks for watching.